We are at the Leach Teaching Gardens in College Station, and Lisa is here to show us some easy ways to stay hydrated. We know in the summertime we talk about how important it is to have water. This looks like a fun, festive way to make sure we do have that H2O every single day.
Exactly. And whether you're adults or children, having water during the hot summer is really important. So this is an idea of fruit and herb infused water. Sometimes you'll see it called Auga Fresca. And you can either have the water straight over the fruit, or you can actually puree it in it if you want a little bit more pulp to your water. So we have a couple of different kinds today that I brought for you. Use whatever fruit you have in season. So lemons, limes, peaches, mangoes, and of course watermelon and cantaloupe are things that you find. And people don't think about cucumbers, but that's a really refreshing thing to include in them as well. So today I made two different kinds. There's a watermelon cantaloupe mint. I love to use mint. And then this is a cucumber, lime, and mint infused water. I just use regular water today, but if you want to be extra fancy, you can use a sparkling water just to give it a little extra fizz. And so it's a fun way to do it. I have these in small carafes at home. If you have a pitcher that you can actually cut your fruit and put in there, that's something you can keep in the refrigerator all the time. So you want to try?
Yes, please.
Okay. We're going to let you try the watermelon cantaloupe. Oh, I'm making a mess here, and we can actually put some of the fruit in it if we wanted to.
And what's great about this is it has that flavor without all the sugar. I know so many times we parents are concerned about we're watching that sugar content for our kiddos. This is a good way to feel, again, very fun and festive. I mean, you could just dress up your Tuesday.
Exactly. So if you're having a party, you guys, this is a great way to be able to have some really wonderful fruit.
Oh. That watermelon hit me, and then the melon, and then the mint, and it is just absolutely refreshing. So, Lisa, thank you so much for showing us a tasty way to stay hydrated this summer.
Awesome.